What if I told you the phone in your pocket is about to become extinct? Yep, Samsung just might be rewriting the smartphone rulebook. Again, but this time it folds thinner than ever before. And the leaks? Oh, they're juicier than a season finale plot twist. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might just make your current phone look like a fossil. So, rumors are flying faster than a folding phone in a drop test. And guess what? The Samsung Z Fold 7 Ultra is shaping up to be the most radical foldable yet. Tipster Ice Universe. Yes, the same guy who's more accurate than your weather app has just leaked specs that sound straight up futuristic. We're talking taller, wider, and thinner. And not just, oh, that's kind of slim, thinner. No, this is, where did the bulk go? Thin. Bezels? Practically gone. Imagine staring at a 7.6-inch AMOLED display with only 1mm bezels. That's like the tech equivalent of trimming off the crust on your sandwich. Sleek, clean, and extremely satisfying. For reference, the Z Fold 6 had 1.9mm bezels, which suddenly feels like ancient history. Samsung didn't just trim the fat, they shredded it. Let's be honest. If you've ever tried opening your foldable and felt like you're unfolding a mini laptop, Samsung heard us, whispered challenge accepted, and now they're engineering magic into millimeters. Now here's the kicker. This thing is thinner even when fully opened. We're talking 3.9mm thin when unfolded, compared to the Z Fold 6's 5.6mm. That's not a small jump. That's a surgical cut in thickness. If you're still holding out on foldables because they feel chunky or awkward, well, that excuse is about to fold under pressure. Fear of missing out yet? You should be. Samsung isn't just improving specs, they're building status symbols. Foldables are quickly becoming the flex phone of the decade, and the Z Fold 7 Ultra might be the ultimate flex. Oh, and for the numbers nerds out there, new dimensions? 158.44mm by 143.1mm. Old model? 153.5mm by 132.6mm. But here's where things get even crazier. There's whispers of a Samsung trifold being unveiled alongside it. Yep, triple the fold. Will it launch at the same time? Will it steal the show from the Z Fold 7 Ultra? You'll want to hold your breath for that one. If Samsung sticks to its usual timeline, July is D-Day. And while we wait, one thing is clear. The Z Fold 7 Ultra isn't just another upgrade. It's a statement, a warning shot to competitors, and a sweet, tempting reason for tech lovers to upgrade. Whether you're into mobile gaming, productivity, or just want a phone that turns heads, this might be the device you've been waiting for. And remember, when innovation moves this fast, you either keep up or get left behind. But hey, don't fold your excitement just yet. Because if you're wondering what's next on your wrist to match that shiny new foldable, you have to see our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Trust me, Samsung didn't hold back on that one either. Click the video right here on screen. You're not going to want to miss it. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time, stay curious, stay upgraded,